Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, dear colleague. I have a great honor and pleasure to invite you to attend and participate EGYVASC conference 2023 this year to be held in Alexandria and Jewel from 23rd to 25th of November. As you all know, this conference, EGYVASC, is quite a strong conference from the scientific point of view and also from the logistic. So please try to attend and participate. Also, I would like just to let you know this conference yearly covering very important topic, up to date in everything, discussing challenging cases, so it will be quite beneficial for the junior staff and senior as well. Please try to share and participate actively. Good luck. Waiting to see you in Alex in November. Thank you.